Ready for the Christmas boat light parade. I'll put a separate video out for that. Put all the lights up yesterday. Came along pretty good. But my Amazon Chinese magnet finally arrived. Gonna try and get back that welding clamp that I dropped. So it could be interesting. It's supposedly a 700-pound magnet. Loctited the eye bolt in there and also changed out the line. The line they provided was kind of cheesy. See, it's a piece of 4-strand ground line. I don't know, 5,000 pound braking strength or so. Should be good. So probably gonna find all kinds of crap, shackles, chain, anything that has been dropped in this slip. But I think I have an approximate guess as to where that clamp is. Feels like might have something. Ah, halibut hook. Oh, got something. Let's see. Is it the clamp? I think it is. Yes! There it is. Cool. It's been down there for about a month. Still works. Awesome. All right, there she is. Cool.